What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. I hope you're all doing great still. And welcome to this Ethereum update. Today, if you don't know me, I cover Ethereum daily along with some other cryptos in a kind of a schedule, which you can find in the Discord server of Cilinix Crypto. But without further ado, what I usually do in these videos and what we're going to do is we're taking a look at the price, we're taking a look at the news, and we're taking a look at the crypto markets. And in this video, we'll mainly talk about the news, and that news is inflation rate numbers. Coming in 3 hours and 20 minutes, probably way less when you're watching this video, right? So check it out at myfxbook.com. I'm going to be talking about how that actually affects it. But first of all, I wanted to show you what the market has been doing. This is the top 100. I mean, look at this. It's just red across the board. So the only two cryptos in the top 100, well, not the only two, but some of the cryptos that are actually holding up the most are Bitcoin and Ethereum, our biggest ones, as you can see. Down about 0.7 and 1.5%. Ethereum is holding its ground at 1275 though. If we take a look at the volume, it's I'd say relatively low. It's about 5.6% of the market cap. Doesn't matter. It's probably going to go up later today due to that inflation rate. So without further ado, let's actually take a look at the analysis. A quick recap of yesterday. What I said yesterday is that we would probably find resistance after we had quite a lot of bullish momentum around the same time yesterday. I didn't think that would hold. I think we would drop back down, and what I said is that we would probably start dropping down towards 1200 or 1225. But that at this time tomorrow, which we are right now, we would probably still be at the same levels, because a move like this, I didn't expect a crash. I expect like us to slowly move down. But I knew obviously that the inflation rate was coming. So today really is all about that inflation rate. All right, so there's basically three things that can happen. All right, just three things. And there's two things that can happen with the inflation rate. It can be higher than expected. It can be lower than expected. Higher than expected is bearish, and vice versa. All right, so what will basically happen? Let's start with if it's lower than expected, which is bullish. If it's lower than expected, I actually think we're going very high. I think we're at least going up to 1350, and I think we got a pretty decent chance of breaking all the way above 1350 and moving up to 1400 in the upcoming days. So that's when it's lower than expected. All right, that would be very bullish. And whether I expect it to be lower than expected, I don't know. It's hard to say, right, with macroeconomics. And honestly, I don't think so. I think it's going to be higher than expected. But either way, when it's higher than expected, that's bearish, all right? But there's a twist. Because what I'm going to say is that usually when it's bearish, when it's higher than expected, what we'll do is something like this, with a serious threat of breaking down below 1200, all right? But the thing I wanted to talk about is the 13th of July. All right, and I'm going to try to actually look that up. I'm not sure if I can. It would be amazing if I actually could do that. 13th of July, come on. Yes, amazing. All right, so 13th of July, we actually had inflation rate numbers. This is great that we can see this. But we had inflation rate numbers, same as today, a couple of months ago, and it was higher than expected, which is bearish. But what happened? This happened. We went up. We had quite a big rally. Bitcoin too, the whole crypto market had. So there's also a small possibility for that, even if it's higher than expected. Just wanted to show you that. It's amazing that we could actually see that, but it's just it's going to be volatile, I think. So I might live stream during the event. So keep an eye out for that, but for now that's my take on Ethereum. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day. Bye.